Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got a brand new, it just hit the market on Amazon, a PRUNUS J-02S. It's AM, FM, shortwave, two shortwave bands, Bluetooth, and MP3 player. It's $30. Which is a very reasonable price right now. Comes with charging cord, plugs in right here so you can charge the internal 18650 battery they give you. It's, let me look at my notes here, it's 1800 milliamp hours. Or you can use two D cells, and it has a solar panel. No, it has two solar panels. Check that out. Okay. Carrying handle. Nice size. It measures 10 inches by 6 inches by about 3.5 inches deep. It has two telescopic antennas, one here, one there. They're recessed right now. They're about 12 inches. When I first got it, I saw this, I extended it, and I go, that's it? That's all they got for shortwave and FM? Then I did something different. I read the manual, and it pointed out there's two of them. Okay, so that should really help listening on shortwave and FM. Controls, nice big tuning knob, nice, easy to read, really easy to read dial. I wish it was backlit, but the color scheme they used, it's really easy to read. The shortwave band, there's two of them, as I mentioned. They go from 3.2 to 10 megahertz, and then from 10 megahertz to 22 megahertz. So pretty well covers the shortwave band. Down here, you select the mode or the band. You can play music off a card or a USB dongle, or you can make a Bluetooth connection. Then you can select FM, AM, shortwave 1, shortwave 2. These are the controls for your TF card, USB card, to skip tracks and stuff like that, or to even change what you're listening to on Bluetooth. Down here is on-off volume. This is a tone control. Nice big speaker. Carrying handle. There's the back of it once again. And I will extend the two telescopic antennas. They do not swivel. That is unfortunate. Not a big deal, but no, they don't swivel. Okay, let's leave what we can. Here we can turn, I've got a TF card in here. So I've selected music. So let's, and this is music from the YouTube free library.
Play by TF card.
Power indicator. Ooh, plenty of volume. Select the next track. Audio is really good. Okay, enough of that. The other thing is, they must be listening to me, the people at PRUNUS, because I'm always complaining about the manuals having such fine print that it's hard for me to read. Well, here's the manual, and look at the print. Big, huge print. Oh man, I love it. So much better. Okay. Did I mention it also has auxiliary input? Okay. Let me look at my notes again. Just tune FM very quickly because there's music on FM. So I'll turn it on. We're down near the bottom of the band. FM is kind of hidden because it's at the very top and it has this overlay. I don't know what you want to call it. Kind of hides the FM band. So we're going to tune real quick.
And I'll read it. No, you don't. It's a maturity thing, though. Is it? I mean, yes, it is. Because you could be friends.
Oh my gosh, it picks up a lot of stations.
What do you got? Called the George Room Improvement.
Gotta skip over that music.
I-4, a little bit. That kids cannot be riding in the back
and walked right
of a
in.
pickup truck. But it was
let's try AM band.
1990.
Yeah, when you know it, music.
Then all of this could have been avoided.
Very clear.
And
oh yeah, very sensitive.
2 years since the assassination of JFK. What we do know, I brought this
very good, very sensitive. Well, someone asked me, where do you live? You're always showing or always presenting Spanish stations. Yeah, it's because I live in Florida. Okay, shortwave band, 1. See if there's anything on this time of day. Turn the audio back up. We're at about 5 megahertz. Let me see if we can hear WWV. Muting while tuning. I'm sorry. Does recover pretty fast. Nope. Let's try 933. No. I have noticed that in my office where I do most of my recordings, you get a lot of ambient noise due to all the electronics that's on. So that kind of messes up shortwave reception. Let's go to shortwave 2. And we'll just go through the band slowly. Turn the volume up. Now, let's go down to 10. Nope, not going to cooperate this morning. I did test it last night about 7 o'clock, and it received a number of shortwave stations. So it appears right now at my location, shortwave reception is much better in the evening hours than the early morning hours. It's about 7:30, so it's even kind of late in the morning. So that kind of explains it. Now, a couple of things that, and they're nitpicky things that are negative to me. It does not have an earphone jack, that's really surprising. It doesn't have an earphone jack. The telescopic antennas, although they're two, and I see now I don't have one fully extended, they don't swivel. So you can't get adjustments that way. You have to actually move the radio. Another little nitpicky thing. The FM is not stereo. And it basically not stereo because they only got one speaker and no earphones. So that's it. The shortwave tuning is not really precise. I would have preferred they add an extra shortwave band and break these down to a little finer, or even two, shortwave 1, 2, and 3, 4. That would be better for tuning shortwave. So not a big deal. It does not have single sideband, which to me is not a big deal, but it doesn't have it. I just want to mention it. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please leave them in a comment below. I want to thank PRUNUS for sending me this J-02S radio. And overall, I like it. I like it. The sound is really great. Multiple bands, Bluetooth and MP3 player. Pretty nice. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.